Welcome to interlinkONE. What we want to do is tell you how our software solutions can help you improve your marketing efforts. Today, marketing departments are typically filled with these questions. What's working? How can we improve the effectiveness of our marketing campaigns? Well, marketers often have this to start with. Data, right? But is it just a spreadsheet or a database somewhere? To improve your efforts, let's try to visualize those records that you actually have. We'll break it down into demographics. Here, we'll call this demographic Bob. We've got another group, we'll label that one Mary, and then one more demographic that we'll label Frank. Alright, so as marketers, how could we try to reach these people? Well, we're pretty cool, so we could try Facebook. We definitely could still send some direct mail out. We could try to reach people on YouTube. We could also send them text messages. We could try to reach them on Twitter. And we also have email at our disposal as well. Right, so a variety of channels, but maybe our budget's tight and we can't use every single channel to reach everybody. What can we do? Well, let's take everyone away and just focus on one demographic at a time, Bob. All right? Bob's hip. He's absolutely on Facebook, so we could reach him there. And you know what? He's on Twitter too, so we're going to try to contact him that way. And we've also read some great stats that show that that demographic will still respond to direct mail. But to really try to appeal to him, our direct mailers will use those QR codes. And hopefully that mix of channels will help us to best effectively reach Bob. However, let's try that on Mary. Yep, we're going to have to make some changes. She's definitely not on Facebook. She doesn't know what Twitter is yet. And these things right here, QR codes, they just confuse her right now. So, what can we do? Well, how about this? Let's try to reach her via television advertisements. And we're going to try to get her on the phone as well. And she'll still respond to direct mail. But you know what? Rather than a QR code, we're going to try to use personalized URLs to get Mary to reply. Let's try one more demographic. Here comes Frank. Frank threw his TV set away a long time ago. He only watches shows on Hulu, so that's not going to work. So what we're going to do is try to reach Frank over the web. He got rid of his landline as well, so we've got to pull that one out of the mix. But he does have a cell phone, so we're going to try to reach him via mobile marketing efforts. And Frank also spent a lot of time on email as well, so we're going to use that one in that mix. So now we have 3 different groups of people, all with a special mix of how we're going to reach them in our marketing efforts. interlinkONE can help you with that. But more than that, what interlinkONE can do is help you find out what's working via real-time reporting dashboards and charts that show you how each demographic is responding, as well as which channels are effective for you. So, if you're tired of being a marketer that's simply filled with questions, come to interlinkONE for the information you need to find out how your marketing efforts can be more successful.